10 o'clock. We're gonna check the ocean, the beach, kasi may cyclone paparating. And may ship sana na dadaong kahapon, pero super lakas ng alon. Pakita ko sa inyo. What? Can you explain that to them in English?
Well, there's a ship.
The ship cannot do the shit in the ship.
The sheep did a lot of shit in the sheets, and they can't get the ship onto shore
because there's the shit in the shit. I'll show you. We will show you guys. Yan o, ang laki ng alon. Nakakatakot nga. It's a surfer's day. Yan yung gusto ng mga surfers. That's the thing. Look at that. Lakas. Yan, dahil sa cyclone, sobrang lakas ng alon, guys.
Walk up fire. Wow.
So, yan ang dagat ngayon. I know! Wow, it's good for the surfers. Oh my gosh.
I fell in love.
What? Tell them that again. That's the door you fell in love.
That's the door I fell in love. Like
love at first sight, guys.
You opened the door, and I'm like,
ooh la la. Like it's been a while, but it's just, when was that?
November the 6th,
2022.
22.
It's so quick, isn't it? And here we are. Daddy Marky wants to do a poo-poo in this toilet, so we're gonna go somewhere. I'll show you the view. Ganda oh. Ito tayo doon. So, shadows, ayan si Queenie. Si Daddy Marky ay nato-toilet. So, maglakad-lakad tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo ang view. Ayan ang view din eh. Ang ganda. Tambay tayo dito saglit. Queen sa toilet.
Gandang Manga.
What time is it? Punta kami ng gateway. We're just playing music inside the car. Go! So yan, nandito na kami sa gateway. Yan na naman ang pinamili natin sa gateway, guys. Guys, ang dami nating pinamili. I spent $68.21. Pakita ko sa inyo later on. How good is that? We have a lot of meat again. We're gonna be fat here. Fat, you know.
No,
we love Gateway.
We separate Gateway. Them, put them in.
I know. When was the last time we came here?
Weeks.
It's been not much.
Also making news, a 15-year-old girl.
We're here in Salvation Army.
Then they'll go up.
And then it starts.
3.
No, that's 3.
Dumaan kami ni Daddy Marky mag-gelato.
You can have a taste test if you like, or you won't know what you need.
So we're getting mango and the Indabano. Oh wow. Maybe just 1 scoop in there? 1 scoop enough? In the bano? Yeah. Yummy.
Thank you.
Yan, dumaan kami mag-gelato ni Daddy Marky. I got mango and banana. What are you having, baby? Cherry ripe and?
Mango and macadamia.
Wow.
Yeah, that'd be
Yum. Date time with Mister. Yum. Libre ako ni Daddy Marky. Maraming salamat. So good. One more.
I'm happy.
Gelato bar. And we are home. We're just gonna drop off all the things.
Your chips in the freezer.
So yun yung mga ginawa natin. Ay, binili natin sa Gateway. There's a lot. And then this one. Sarap nito, be. Kinain namin dito sa Pagkanin. So yan yung binili natin. Hindi ko na isa-isahin. I-ref na namin. And ito, $8 quilt cover. Quilt. Hindi na namin inisa-isa yung mga pinamili, pero super nakadami kami today sa Gateway. Mga ano lang, breads ulit, mga sauces and everything. Fruit salad. I-haul ko sana, pero same lang naman, mga meat. Tapos napadaan din pala kami ni Daddy Marky sa Ukay. Ukay. Kabili ako nito, tas mga work pants niya. And then massage thing, and then sabon. Ayan, kakatapos lang natin mag-live sa Facebook, and si Amanda ay nagluluto ng carbonara. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan ang kanyang pasta. pizza. Naka-ready na rin ang kanyang bacon. Let's eat! Happy Sunday, everyone! We are on the way to work and time check, it's 5:44. Maulan and then ayan ang bakita ko ang weather. Maambon-ambon. Ayan, naahatid na tayo ni Daddy Marky. Ayan ang setup namin ni Mister. Sana hindi siya magsawang maghatid sundo sa akin. Maghatid. 2 years and more na siyang naghahatid sa akin, guys. Kailangan ko na mag-drive. Pero wala kasi tayong extra sasakyan. 5:57 na. 6 tayo mag-i-start.
The tilapia is believed by some to protect and purify the mind as well as the body.
By applying sand.
Hello everyone! Yan yung shirt na binili natin sa Target for Daddy Marky. Kaka-pick up niya lang sa akin. 10:12. Natapos na ng 10 o'clock. And then he got me Zarafas. Baby, did you finish up already? Aww.
I did, Marco.
Did you get same one?
I did.
Is this Masay or Jumbo?
Jumbo.
Why? Thank you. Want more? Maraming salamat. From Target, $5. Sinuot na niya, hindi pa nalabhan. Diyos me.
It's Tarjay, Marco.
Tarjay! Tarjay, okay.
Tarjay.
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 Lapit na kami sa Caboolture Market. We are here. Ayan, Caboolture Market tayo for today. Nag-drive kami ni Daddy Marky dito sa Caboolture Market. Pero marami na silang mag-close. Ayan, nagpapakat na sila. Ayan, we're gonna have lunch here. Daddy Marky is craving for Turkish food. Ayan, after ng Caboolture Market, dumaan kami ng Turkish restaurant.
I'll try the cake.
Ayan, kinuha na po ni Daddy Marky ng drinks. What are you drinking, Mela? Daddy ordered garlic pizza again. Ayan, nag-order si Mr. ng garlic pizza, guys. Date kami kahapon, date again today.
Abi?
And another pizza. And nag-order si Daddy ng pizza. Let's try the pizza. Yung pizza, guys. Yummy? Ayan na lang natira namin ni Daddy and then take away namin yan. Binili ni Daddy Marky sa isang shop, $7. Yes! I need all these plants! Lagay natin sa garden. Guys, tignan nyo yung sa kabila. O, kailan lang nung pinakita ko sa inyo, no? Diyan na. Yan na yan. Uulan na. Yan na ang weather. Weather. Pauwi pa lang kami 1:38. Bahay na kami, guys. Sabi ko kay Amanda, I don't have plans today, but I got this. Yes, all I need. Huh? Yes, I need all these plants. Bulol. And bahay na kami, super mahangin, guys. Hello, Sushi! Ni?
Sushi!
Nagtur, piniinom niya. Natin nagjakolubong ko kanya na. Hi, how are you? Hi? Ano ba? Kita siya. Kalimutan kong ipakita. Bumili pala kami ito sa Caboolture Market. Mga gulay. I don't know kung may ano to sa loob. Wala siguro. Sibuyas. Tapos, ito, mga bawang ni Daddy Marky. And then, 3 for $11 ang quail egg. So, kinuhanan ko si Amanda. Yan lang. Ayan. Hello everyone. Before mag-ano yung bagyo dito sa atin, mag-DIY muna tayo ng trailing ng ating dragon fruit.
Guys, ang cute. Tignan nyo. Ouch! Ouch! Chik, 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 chik. Chik, 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 chik. Sipag guys, oh.
Carpentera.
Emeline Carpenter. Guys, umaambon na. Ayaw pa rin yung tumigil, oh. Kahit nasi-stress na siya, guys. Ang lakas na ng ambon! Bye-bye! Parating na yung cyclone.
Ayan guys, napag-usapan namin ni Daddy Marky na gawin ngayon yung aming visa. So, ayan. Happy Sunday! So, today's March 2. Talata ko lang sa inyo. Guys, time check. 7:57 na ng gabi. Anong oras kami nag-start nila? Or something? Dinner time. Nagluto si Amanda ng manok. So spicy. Or it's the oil? The oil. Yan yung binili namin kahapon sa ano. Happy Monday. The weather is not good, guys. Umuulan magdamag. On the way to work. I'm home, guys. It's just one way. Yung Uber na sinakyan ko bumalik. I'm home. Nag-Uber na naman tayo, guys. 5 to 1. Nangyari sa face mo, anak. Ayan, bahay na tayo. So, kanina, dalawa lang kami na chef sa breakfast. Grabe, nagluto ako ng omelette. Ang alam kasi ng ibang chef, hindi ako nag-omelette pag wala sila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Sa 156 na guest, 25.
25 omelette.
25 ang nag-omelette.
Ginawa mo lahat yun?
Yeah, yun ang gusto. Hindi naman sunod-sunod. Hindi naman siya like, nakapila lahat. Yun yung gusto ko pag hindi busy sa hotel. Doon ako nagluluto ng omelette. Wag mo akong asahang magluto kapag ka 600, 700 ang guest. No way! Ayoko yung nagpipila sila. Gusto ko yung konti-konti lang, gano'n. Na-enjoy mo pa, di ba? Di ba nung last Thursday ba tayo pumunta sa Target? Last Thursday, share ko lang sa inyo. Kasi na ngayon, Monday. Hindi ko siya na-vlog. Ayan, bumili kami ni Amanda sa Target. May nabili ka ba sa Target?
Yung lang.
Ito, dress naka-sale. Ba, dress na naman $30. $70 down to $30. Black dress. Ang cute niya. Tapos, pang topper pag ano, punta ng beach, ganun. $20. Ito siya. Knitted. Yan ang ating nabili. $50 pala to. Pero hindi ko naman siya binayaran ng buo. After pay ko siya, guys. Tapos yung t-shirt ni Daddy Marky kahapon na black. Tapos ito. Tagpo $5 yung kinuha ko for him. Naka-sale. So, kinuha ko ng para kay Daddy Marky.